My name is Kim Anderson. I'm an associate professor in family relations and applied nutrition at the University of Guelph, where I hold a Canada Research Chair in Indigenous relationships. Projects of research that I have together, I guess it does fall under that umbrella of Indigenous knowledge and how Indigenous knowledge can inform us about how to have better relationships, the human ones and all the natural world, the state that we're in. Especially right now, we're in a time of pandemic. So the human relations are suffering. We think about climate crisis. Then one of the things we can do is build spaces of hope, not just for our students, but also for the community that will be involved and engaged in all of these activities. We need to get together and figure out, how are we going to move forward? All of these things can come together, and I see my work as a social scientist and historian. I built on my skill, I followed it, I built on my interests, and helping creating those spaces where people can come together around thinking our way into the future.